Hi, and welcome to Little Luxuries with Lynn. I'm Lynn Marie. I appreciate you being here today. Speaking of, today we are going to be going through a brand new box on my channel, and it is called Alltrue. Alltrue, a little bit about them. This is their quarterly box, and it is $54.95. I have some notes over here that I'm going to read off a little bit. You can save by paying in full annually. This box is a $250 value, 6 to 8 pieces. There is a kind of a bonus. If you do pay for the full year, you get to customize your box entirely, which I think that kind of reminds me of FabFitFun. And if you haven't seen my FabFitFun, I'll insert the little link right here. What they are all about is markets, inspiration for international living, and a community that cares. They offer add-ons from their online market. Let's see. That's it. Let's get into the box. You'll have to pardon me, I'm a little bit of a cold, so I'm gonna take a quick drink of water from my wiener dog water bottle. We always use reusable things here in the house. We try to avoid all single-use items, and I think that's what Alltrue is trying to get at us, is to be more thoughtful in our process of choices. All right, tissue paper, cute, pretty sticker. Let's rip it open. Okay. This is a huge booklet. Wow. Look at this. There are at least 20 pages in here. So this is my first time. I didn't get a chance to look at anything. I left it to be a surprise. So I will be just as amused as you are. Here it says Guide to Summer. So this is still their summer box. This opens up and I believe it talks about all the different products that are in the box. Let's see. Well, we'll have to see. I'll read from this as we pull pieces out. And then here is a postcard, which you could also use as artwork. Put it in a frame and nobody would be the wiser. All right. What else do they send us? We are here for good. So just about their mission and about who they are. You get a lot of paperwork with it. Okay, let's just jump right in. This is Palm Perkins Upcycled Napkin Set. Let's see what these are like. So we already here at my house, we use cloth napkins, but they have to be machine washable. I'm not hand washing anything. We utilize a lot of multi-use items from the Norwex company, and that's who we got our napkins from. These are really pretty. Different shades of blue and gray. Nice. And there is 4 of them. And here's the 4th one. Very nice. If I didn't know any better, they look a little like hand towels. And they're really, really good quality. But let's see how you clean them. I hope they're machine wash. They're handmade in India. And they are 50% recycled cotton, 20% recycled poly yarn, and machine washed in cold. That's awesome. I love that it's cold, so I'm not running my hot water heater. Brilliant. I can always use an extra set. All right, let me see if I can find them in the book. This is a huge book. Give me a minute. Oh, there's recipes. They talk about skincare in the book. I don't see any of the products in here. Huh. Let's see what else. About cleaning the home and trying to be using plant-based cleaning solutions for a sustainable scrubbing session. All right, recycle your clothes. If you've not heard about recycling clothes and the Thread Up Clothing Company. I'll link that link up here as well. They are talking about sustainable fashion as well. Well, I'm going to open this up, see if I can find the napkins in here. Let's see. I do not see them so far. Nope, they're not even in the flyer. So we're gonna have to just go by what I said, made in India and all recycled material. So the next item, and I remember seeing this and I did want this. Let's take it out of there. It's a beautiful sage green backpack. So let me open this up. Excuse me. Okay. Ooh, it is heavy duty cotton with pockets on the side, adjustable straps, which is really nice. And then it snaps and it tightens. Let's see what it's like on the inside. This is also by Palm Perkins, which is the same company that the napkins were by. Okay, inside there's a zipper for smaller items. Very nice. I thought this would be a nice casual bag for taking along either as your purse or with your purse. Let's see. And I know I did not see this in this flyer either. And I'm gonna look to see if they tell us what it's made from. It does feel exactly like the napkins. Nope, we're just gonna have to enjoy it and know that it's made by the same company. This is really a wonderful, very sturdy backpack. I love the color. All right, next item. Ooh, a beauty item. That's nice. You get a good mixture of household, lifestyle, and beauty products. This is Brand with a Heart. It's called OMG Smooth. Let me see if I see this in this booklet. There's recipes, a little bit about gardening, mushroom magic, interesting. It's a lot to read through, but it does talk about different ways of scrapping and wasting and discarding of items. All right, I think it's in this flyer here. Yep, Brand with a Heart. OMG, it's a leave-in conditioner blend. Okay. Nature and science team up to tame your mane with the leave-in conditioner. Take your tresses on a tropical vacation without leaving home. Lather it in and let the nature botanicals work their magic. Your hair will be silky smooth and frizz-free in no time. Comb this conditioner onto wet or dry hair and style as usual. So you can use it as a conditioner or as a leave-in use on dry hair as well. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, and it's sealed. That's wonderful. Has no fragrance to it, which is nice. Sometimes too many fragrances in the shower can make you dizzy. All right, next item in the box, which I think is the last item, and it is Odessa Age-Defying Nail Treatment. Oh, okay. Let's see. Oh, look at this. So you've got a cuticle oil, and then I'm betting this is a top coat. So you get both of them together. And let's see, Power Couple Nail Care Duo, spit it out, Lynn. Nail Growth Optimizer, and Neroli Flower Coconut Oil. Well, let's see if it smells good. It should, but I know it has neroli oil in it. Yes, smells very nice. Put a little on my thumb, let's see. Oh, so, wow, that went right straight in. Wow, see, I really can't tell there's any oil on my thumbnail. Goodness, that soaked right in. And let's see, I can't tell if this is a top coat or if it's another nail treatment. We'll take a look and see if we can find it in this flyer. All right, I looked through both brochures and nothing tells me about this, but I might have to get out my magnifying glass because everything on here is very tiny. All right, there is another product in here, and this is Skin Thirst. Here, let's see if you can see that. Yeah, there you go. All right, and this is by Cosmetics, and this is a moisturizer, hyaluronic acid cream. Okay, that's nice to get some skincare, and I'm almost certain this is a clean skincare. No scent, very nice. And there's one more that I think goes right along with this. Here it is. This is the same company, and this is, I can't pronounce it, Bakuchiol Complete. This is a plant-based retinol alternative serum. Huh. And I think it is sealed. Let's see if I can get it unsealed. All right, so I got it opened up, and it looks to be, oh yeah, it's a dropper. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. And any scent? No fragrance whatsoever. The directions for use are right on back of each of the packages. And let me take one more look, see if they listed any skincare in this flyer. Here they do. They talk about cosmetics and the retinol serum and the mattifying moisturizer. Okay. This is Certified Bunny, and it is a green, clean product. All right, so this is Alltrue. I love their mission statements about reduce, reuse, recycle, and how they want us all to be conscious of what we're putting into the earth. And I love the products. They're very durable and lovely. Comment below. Tell me what you thought of this box. This is brand new to me, and I got just this box this quarter. I wanted to see what I thought about it, and I want to know what you all think. Should I continue getting this box? I know I'll get use out of the items for certain. Well, thanks so much for hanging out with me. It means the world to me. It really, truly does. I love every one of you, and I appreciate if you subscribe and stick around for the next video. Thanks so much, and take care.